Alright guys, welcome back to the Unknown Fisherman.
Morning guys. Today we're doing something that I haven't done for a long time. Look at that bat. Bat and owl. Morning, what a nice way to start. Barn owl flying past. Today we're up early. It's just getting light. Doing something that I'd never do. I don't really like it, but I'm carp fishing, and I'm not at a normal lake. I'm fishing a flooded ditch, and these carp, they're wild. So when you catch them, they go crazy. I used to fish here years and years ago, but obviously, as you know, it's more into the sea fishing. But yeah, I thought I'd give something different to go, give you guys something different to watch. So I'm out with Dan this morning. We're just going to get set up. So I'll set up and then I'll get back to you. So we're at the venue now, and there seems to be carp absolutely everywhere on the surface, and all this is a flooded ditch. There's a carp there on the surface, right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going back to basics. Obviously I'm not a carp fisherman, I don't do any freshwater fishing. I've just got a float, a couple of shots to stop it moving, and I'm fishing worms, garden worms. So what I'm going to do, oh look at the carp on the surface there. Oh, here we go lads, here we go. So far, no bites. Dan is the king carp fisherman. He's trying to stalk fish. The fish are literally just swimming on top of the water in front of us. And all this is just an old flooded ditch, but it's full of carp. I don't know if you can see that. There's a carp feeding right on top of the wood.
Is it a bite? I think it's probably
Definitely a bite. Unless it got it wrapped round, so. Had a bite. It's not going too well at the moment. There's fish everywhere. So no luck this morning. Unfortunately, I've got to go to work now, and we haven't had any fish. I don't know what they're feeding on, but there's fish jumping out of the water, like full on out of the water, like sea fish do. It's crazy. But yeah, I don't know what these wild fish are eating. If anyone knows, let us know. But they're just everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's fish cruising. Like I said, they've been jumping out. I just can't see to catch them. So maybe they're not feeding in the mornings. Maybe they feed in the evenings, so if I get time, I might pop back later. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Me and Dan, we're back out again before work. Didn't have no luck the other day, so decided to come back down here. Gonna change the baits today. We're gonna go sweet corn because they weren't taking the worms the other day. Well, I'm determined to get one of these carp because they're wild. I know they're gonna run like crazy. So yeah, stay tuned. So here we are, got the first one.
Right, I'll go to the platform for a minute because I can set the net.
What?
It's a platform for a minute because you set the net up.
Yeah, let me set the net up. Yeah, I'll get the camera.
Let's have a look. Carp?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh. But the sweet corn's worked. You can out and get my net out or what?
So where it's at?
Hold on, I'll net it if you want, if you just take the cat. About the wild ones.
Look.
Oh, he got us.
Oh no. How
That's
do you
what
feel?
happens when you're not a freshwater fisherman. Let's get another one. So that sweet corn's obviously done the trick. I know I dropped that fish, but it was only a little one. It's about, I don't know, £4 or £5. But we just we moved up the ditch, because all it is just a ditch. And it just floods sometimes. But as you can see, there's so many carp in here. I'm going to try and get a bigger one now. Here we go, Dan's in. Have you caught on me, Dan? So the sweet corn seems to be working. Let's make sure we get this fish, shall we? Oh, and we got it. How'd you feel your first wild carp? It's a lovely fish, look.
A little bit more than that,
Oh, how'd you catch that, Dan?
so sweet corn will pop up, fake nose, that's all. Caught a big boy as well, one looks of things.
Yeah. So, I've actually got one on the bank. Happy now. At least you know they like the corn. There she goes. How'd you feel?
Yeah, bang. That's the slimy.
The freshwater fisherman's caught a fish. What? Yeah.
And he's in. Alright. Just let it work so far. That's on. Get on me. Pop through in. Yeah, we can.
Biggest one so far.
Fish rod. What should I call it?
That's how it's done, lads. That is how it's done.
Lovely fish.
Lovely. How big do you reckon that is?
Yeah, about 6, 7 maybe.
Gonna get us a picture.
We're going proper sea fisherman style in. And off she goes.
And that, I think, is going to be the end of that session. So I've had one on the bank, lost one. Dan's had one. So it obviously proves that they want the sweet corn and not the worm.
Nice and slimy.
Lovely and slimy. You know what? I quite enjoyed catching that carp. So yeah, we're going to call it a day today. It's about 8:30 in the morning now, so we've got to go back to work, or go to work. But yeah, tune in next time for some more carp.